Do you want to create eye-catching product videos that sell without spending hours editing or hiring a pro? What if I told you AI could do it in minutes? And all you need is the link of the product from Amazon, AliExpress, Shopify, whatever. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Topview AI to create these stunning product videos fast. Let's go ahead and get started. So use my link in the description below and head on to this website, Topview AI, and follow along, because Topview AI has so many features, but we're just going to dive into the one that's so amazing that all you need, like I said before, is the product link of the Amazon product. Let's go ahead and go to the dashboard. It could be an Amazon link, it could be a Shopify, TikTok, eBay, Mercado, whatever product link that you have. It takes the videos, it takes the descriptions, it takes the images, it creates the B-roll, it creates the captions, it creates everything. Let's just do it real quick. I'll show you. So in this video, I'm going to use an Amazon link for tech gadgets. So I'm going to pick this from Amazon. I'm going to pick this Next mug. Temperature controlled self-heating coffee mug here. I'm going to get the link, or you can just copy the link up here, whatever. But all you need to do, and this is freaking amazing, guys, all you need to do is copy this link here, create the video, and what it does, it analyzes, it takes all the different pictures and images and videos that are in that description. It takes that and it creates the actual video for you in minutes. Now, for you to do this yourself, I've done this a lot. It could potentially take you quite a lot longer, maybe hours, to create just one video with all the B-roll, with all the captions, depending on the length and the quality of the video that you produce. But here, it analyzes this in just a few minutes. Right? It takes all the materials, right? That's what I'm trying to say. All the materials from that link, and it shows you. So here you probably don't want to use people's faces that just for copyright's sake. You want to use the stock images, at least I do. So estimated processing time 10 minutes. It goes in there, it takes all of the images, all of the videos, all of the text, and it analyzes that, it splits it up. The AI processes it, you'll see here as we come along. It would take quite a long time to do this. Alright, so as you can see, after just a few minutes, all the analysis is complete. It has analyzed all the materials for the video. What you want, it even puts your product name. You can change that product name. It puts the product details for the script, or you can use your own script if you wanted to, but it creates the script for you up to 5,000 characters. Definitely, here's the trick here. Click the more options down here. It will choose you can choose a style, pain points, harm, solutions, fear-based hooks, that kind of thing. But if you use auto-selected by AI, it will create 3 for you, which is pretty cool. Or you can use your own style prompt, random load prompt, whatever, but we're going to let AI do it. You can select your target audience, which is optional. And here, the video length. Okay, insufficient materials may shorten the video's length. In DIY style prompt mode, duration control prioritizes the prompt's conditions, which may cause discrepancies with the set duration. So most of the time, it adheres to this, but in certain circumstances it doesn't. You can use a end card or watermark, set that for your size of the video. So make sure down here, this is the key here, if you want a landscape or portrait. In this particular instance, we want to do it for Instagram or TikTok. We want to create a portrait video, and this even shows you here what it looks like. So the portrait, I want it in English. Now the script language here, you have several choices of people to pick from. You even get a British guy, best for English, or Ryan here. I like him. Yeah, so I like him effortlessly. All right, so we use him. Whether to use the avatar or not, you can pick that. And then all you have to do is click generate. So the AI generates the videos. based on your scripts that it created. So here it's generating 3 versions: attention grabbing, opening, setting expectation solutions, contract structure mistakes and correct actions. We'll preview that one. Number 3 is use a structure that foregrounds benefits and results. We'll preview that one. So as these preview, you get it when you buy the premium plan, you get as many previews as you want. The free plan gives you 3, I think, but I bought the premium plan, which I would definitely suggest. Saves you so much time. Let's go ahead. In this particular, for number 1, it created the attention grabbing. Let's listen to this. So you saw it created the captions, it created the B-roll, and you can come over here. If you want to change what it says, you can go ahead and make your changes. If you don't like Yas, Queen, something like that, you can change that, take it out or whatever. No drama, simple. You don't want to say this kind of stuff, whatever. Or if you do chef's kiss, I don't know what that means. Maybe because I'm old, but you do. Then you can apply and preview again, and it'll make the changes here. Now that's pretty good right there. Now you can change the words. You can see some of the times it didn't fully say the right words, whatever. But here is the third one. Use structure that foregrounds benefit result. This is a 29-second one. All right, that was pretty good right there. I like that. No changes required. That's a 29-second video. That was a 40. And that was a 34. There you go. Okay, out of these 3, and of course, if you didn't like it, you can pick the ones you want, export. So each of these, like I said, I'm on the business plan. I wouldn't recommend something that I don't use myself to you guys. So the no water export, no watermark export. Each time you export, it's 5 credits. So with the business plan, you have quite a few different videos that you can create, and I'll go over that real quick here. So if you buy it yearly, right, you save up to 40%. The free plan gets you 10 credits per month, so that's 2 videos, but it also gives you 6 previews. I said 3, but 6 previews monthly, 1 custom avatar. It contains a watermark, so this is good if you want to play around with it, but you need at least a starter plan, which is $10 a month if you do it annually. If not, it's more expensive. You save 40% if you do it yearly. So $20 a month if you want to play around with it. Get 50 credits a month, unlimited previews, which is great. 1 voice clone. We'll talk about that in future videos. We'll talk about avatars in future videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, but I got the business plan here. Obviously, I'm doing lots of videos. You get 250 credits a month, unlimited previews, 500 avatars, 10 free voice clones, 12 candidate scripts per project. We'll talk about that in a future video as well. Photo talking max, 1,800 seconds per video. Okay, which is way more. 300 gig storage. Support project resize. Okay, so you can resize the project. That's pretty cool. I have to play with that one. Let's go back. All right, let's see what it did. And then it's finished here, so I'm going to download it. Downloads. Let's play it.
Never ever microwave your coffee again. It's the worst way to ruin your brew. Ugh, that feeling when your coffee gets cold, the ultimate betrayal, like, come on. Introducing the Next Mug, always the perfect temp, no more sadness, I swear. Warm 130 degree, hot 140 degree, or piping 150 degree, your choice. Sip perfection for hours, it's the vibe. One button to rule them all, on, off, temp select. No app needed, no cap. Matte finish, ergonomic design, it's serving looks. Spill-resistant lid? We love to see it. Moms, dads, grads, teachers, they all need this. Best gift ever. Guarantee. Run, don't walk. This deal is about to expire. Click the link and get yours now before it's too late.
All right, well, there you have it right there. That's it took like 10 minutes to do all that. B-roll, background, captions, all that stuff. All you need is the link to the product. Now, come on, give me a like if you like that kind of stuff. That's a game changer right there for sure, right? If you're doing videos manually the old-fashioned way, you got to use the AI to take your video generation to the next level, like I'm going to do here. So leave me a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Click the link in the description for the best deal out there. Subscribe to the channel to get more of this stuff, and click on this next video here because we're going to be talking about more of the features next. See you there.